Yeah, Kendal, okay. How do they pronounce Kendal or Kendal?
Kendal.
Kendal, or it's like the Kendal stick, right?
Sort of. Close.
But it's Kendell, right?
D-A-L.
Oh, Kendal, yeah, D-A-L.
And the gray shadow.
Gray shadow.
The mist.
Oh, the mist. There's island, the place named Island.
Han Moon.
On Moon, yeah, I read that. Very beautiful place.
Yeah, Moon Island. It's a marine protected reserve.
Oh.
Very nice.
Okay, come. There is that where we came from? No, there. Right?
What's that?
There, we came from there, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
The harbor.
Yeah, the Swedish guy. Making movie, yeah? I'm back. Cannot do the scenery. Okay. Kendal, wait. I want you to hold this for me. It is shooting. It is shooting. No need to press anything. It's a video clip. Okay.
Killer.
Does I look normal?
Yes, you look very normal.
Okay. Let's do it now. Yeah, now we are heading to the next destination. Eating time. Eating time, yeah? Hey, banana.
Oh, no camera.
No camera.
No camera. Raining.
Throw away. You get this tattoo from where?
Drawn in New Zealand
Yo.
and done in Hawaii.
Drawn in New Zealand, done in Hawaii.
Yeah.
You have to draw first before doing it?
A friend of mine drew it for me.
Draw on a paper.
Yeah.
Finish food.
There you go.
Hey, tall guy.
Come and get your son. You're ready to come down.
Getting ready to go down. Hey. Yay.
Don't leave anything on the boat, please. Okay. Just like to say congratulations to Daniel and thank you for coming diving with us today. Sorry the weather hasn't been good. We'll pay more tax tomorrow and get the sun out. But anyway, it's been a pleasure having you aboard. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. If you'd like to follow Chi, he'll take you back to the shop. Chris, Sandra will take you back to Alamandora. Okay. Back at the shop, if you want to purchase any t-shirts, hats, souvenirs, dive equipment, or even book another dive trip, please feel free to speak to one of the staff there. And once again, thank you very much for diving with us today.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Hey, good morning. So this is day 3. Yeah, diving again. Hey, I think you gotta hold it a few seconds, shooting at me. Make sure I'm there.
Sure.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Day 3. Yeah.
Also, there's a little bin beside the toilet, so any space that you use,
Talking time, huh?
that bin. We've also got a bin on board.
Hey.
Bin provided. Some of you might have noticed we've got a huge white cylinder at the back there. That's full of medical oxygen, which we're all trained to use and provide, as well as first aid. So if anyone has any queries today or any problems,
Today we have clearer view today.
we'll be able to help you out. If you smoke,
I saw nothing, huh?
just smoke forward at the wheelhouse, please. along the back there. As we're travelling out, you can't sit on the blue areas. These are the people finding this stuff to do. That's what they're thinking about.
Okay, starting for day 3 dive. Okay, we are moving to our next destination. Like documentary, you know. We ready for our next dive? Hey man, you don't fall down. Today have a very clear view. Yesterday no, it's rainy. The picture. What is this? This remote? Catch a movie of me.
Yeah.
Wait. Like that. Rolling man.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. You can see the whole morning.
No, you can. Talk to me.
Yeah, definitely. What? You wanted to go like that? Oh, that's awesome. Hey.
Alright, Chia, you ready?
Chắc rồi thôi. Cái này 2 rồi, anh đến trên đó đi. Cái này 3 rồi nè.
Hey, long man. I'm here for you taking exam, not like whole class of one. Alright. What's time now? No time, I don't wear watch.